Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your chef from guruscooking.in with Punjabi Aloo Gobi Masala. Please make a note of the ingredients. Gobi is cauliflower. I have taken 500 grams of gobi that has been washed using lukewarm water. This way, if any germs or insects are there, they will escape because of the lukewarm water. Once you have washed it, cut it into fine florets like these. Apart from this, we have taken 4 potatoes, peeled their skins and cut them into wedges like these. 2 onions have been sliced and 1 tomato has been chopped into small fine bits like these. Now we will deep fry our potatoes followed by gobi. I'm deep frying these potatoes in 500 milliliters of refined vegetable oil, and the flame that I've maintained here is medium flame. That is because if the flame is high, the potatoes will cook from the outside and from the inside they will remain raw. We want to make sure that they cook properly from the inside and as well as from the outside. So that is why we are cooking at a medium flame. It's been around 5 to 7 minutes. The potatoes have been cooked 80% and this is how they look. We will retrieve them. I've cooked them only 80% because they will cook later on again. And these are the gobi florets that we are frying. Now gobi has got a lot of water content, because of which it reduces and brings down the boiling point of your oil. Hence it will not cook. Even after 5 minutes it will look like this. It might have cooked from the inside, but from the outside it's not crunchy. So I'm going to retrieve them. And this is my first batch. Now once you have retrieved this gobi, increase the flame to high, because the gobi is cooked from the inside, but from the outside it's still not crunchy. So increase the flame, wait for 3 minutes, and then once again add this half cooked gobi. And this time, since the oil is too hot, the gobi will cook very fast within less than 2 minutes. And from the outside it will become crunchy. That is what we want to make the ultimate aloo gobi masala. So this step is really important, ladies and gentlemen. Half cook the gobi, retrieve it, increase the flame, add it once again. But this time it will cook fast, so be careful to retrieve it within less than 2 minutes. So it's done. I'm removing it and I will show you how wonderful it looks. Please sit back, relax, take your time, focus your eyes and enjoy this view. This is how you should make it. Cool. Now we have our aloo. We have our gobi. Gobi is completely cooked. Aloo is 80% cooked. Keep it aside. Grab a pan. This we'll be putting the flame to medium high, and from the same kadai in which we fried our aloo and gobi, we'll extract 3 tablespoons of oil and add it here. The oil is already hot, so I can immediately add 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Make sure the flame is medium or low, not high. Now you add green chilies which have been slit, followed by 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste. Please do not add garlic paste, doesn't taste good. So just ginger paste 1.5 tablespoon. Saute this along and we'll follow and add the onions that we had sliced. Here go the onions. Saute this, ladies and gentlemen. Now you can increase the flame from low to medium or even high. And if you want to cook these onions even faster, you can add a quarter or maybe half a teaspoon of salt. The salt will emancipate the process of releasing water content from these onions, and that way they'll cook a little faster than usual. So now within around 10 minutes maximum or maybe 7 minutes, these onions will turn translucent. So we don't want to brown these onions completely. Just make sure they turn translucent and we are done. So once they have turned translucent, we'll be adding tomatoes. I want to warn you about the tomatoes. Please do not add too many tomatoes into this recipe. You will spoil the whole fun. We need just a little tanginess. So I'm adding only one chopped tomato. Please don't add too much. If tomatoes are less, it's okay, but they cannot be more, for sure. Now please saute this along and reduce the flame to low because tomatoes cook very well at a low flame. We'll add a few condiments here, beginning with a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Remember, we have already added green chilies. Don't make it too spicy. Of course, it depends on your taste. That's my preference, so I said I don't add too much red chilies. We'll add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Remember, while frying the onions, we have already added half a teaspoon. So the total amount of salt that has gone into this recipe is 2 teaspoons. Anyway, salt depends on how much you add it. Depends on your liking. I added 2 teaspoons. Yep, good. Now mix up everything. Remember, we are still cooking at a low flame. Cover this with a lid if you want to cook it at a higher pace than before. It will cook quickly. And then cook it for around 10 minutes at a low flame. Let it simmer. Let steam do all the magic. It's been 10 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Uncover it. First of all, check if it is sticking to the bottom or not. So, is it sticking? It is not. That is first good news. And the second good news is that I forgot to add coriander powder. Let me add it now. I should have added that before, no problem. So we'll add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and we'll mix this up pretty well. And again cover this with a lid and cook it for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Uncover the lid. Step number 1, check if it is sticking to the bottom or not. Very important. So stir your ladle in and confirm. Acknowledged it is not sticking. Good news. What next? See, when you have this aloo gobi at most of the dhabas or restaurants, they look probably golden in color. And that golden color comes with a little trick. So we'll add very less amount of curd into this. So whisk the curd before you add. You don't want to see lumps. Just 2 tablespoons, please, not much. Just 2 tablespoons because you've already added tomatoes, and that will give you that golden, crispy, amazing color. Yes, you got that. And also curd also adds to an amazing taste. So please don't add cream here. Cream doesn't work well. Curd, but less. Alright, good. Now please make sure you have the flame still reduced. Remember, the flame is still low. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be adding those fried potatoes and gobi. Time to mix up everything. Let's rock and roll. Looks delicious already. Let's make it aromatic. I've added a quarter teaspoon of garam masala. If you like it more spicy, add half a teaspoon of garam masala and then garnish it with some amazing fresh coriander leaves. Mix up everything. I'm sure you can see this and it looks beautiful to you. It is succulent. It's amazingly delicious. Because I've tried this, I ate this after making it, isn't it? You didn't. You have to make it. You have to tell me in the comments how it tasted, how your family loved and enjoyed it. So ladies and gentlemen, cover this with a lid. Wait for 3 minutes. Cook at a low flame and simmer it. Let the steam incorporate the last and final touch of magic to this recipe. And there you have Aloo Gobi Masala Punjabi style. Call it dhaba style or call it restaurant style. Just enjoy it. So you can have this with chapatis or with fulkas. Let me zoom my camera so that you can focus pretty well. This is what you have. Please make a note of the cooking instructions. And yes, I know I talk a lot. I do that only because I can offer you some tips and entertain you. My job is to do just one thing, make you happy. You also make me happy by liking my video and please comment below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. What is the benefit? If you subscribe and I post a new video, you will receive it in your inbox as an email from YouTube. You will be intimated. Isn't that fun? It is. So make sure you have love in the kitchen. I promise there will be laughter at the table. Enjoy it with your family and friends. Thank you once again. Of course, you can also try my fried rice recipe at the top and you can try the chili chicken recipe at the bottom if you eat non-veg. And yes, do hit the subscribe button. Take care. Have fun.